Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the Print Dynamic Barcode Labels Odoo application by BrowseInfo. It helps you to print the customizable barcode labels from the products, sales, purchase, and the pickings, all dynamically based on the category, with configurable label, size, layout, and the paper format. This app helps you to generate the professional barcode labels that match your company's standards. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going with the inventory module, and under the configuration I will find one settings, and here you can find the configuration for the barcode. So you can add the label width, barcode currency, type, its height, length, and position, and barcode width. And if you want to hide the price, so you can also configure. After that, we have that paper configuration. If you want to set up the standard paper, and if you want to add the custom paper setting, you can choose it over here, and also you can set as per your choice. I'm just selecting the standard paper settings and going to save this configurations. Now I'm just going with the sales, and here I'm selecting the product variants. So here I'm select one product, and after that I'm just click on this actions button, and here you will find one option to barcode product labels. So here you can find the product barcode, and I'm just going to print the same. And here you can see the predefined document layout. And you can see for our product the barcode is printed successfully. Now I'm selecting the another product. After that I'm just going to the orders, and I'm just creating the new quotation. And here I'm just click on the action, and here you can see the one option for the barcode product labels. So here we have a four product, so for each we have a different barcode, so I'm just going to print the same. So here you can see the barcode is generated for our product. Now we will move forward with the purchase, and here I'm just going to create a new request for the quotation. Now I'm just going to confirm the same, and with the receipt I'm just going to validate it. Now I'm just going to click on this action, And under the barcode product labels, you can see the products, and I'm just going to print the barcode for the same. So that's how you can generate the barcode. Now I'm just going with the inventory module, and under operations I'm just going to create one internal transfer, and I'm just going to create the new for the warehouse stock to the partner customer, and here I'm just selecting the product. So now I'm just going to do the same with the barcode product labels, and I'm just going to print it. So you will see the barcode is generated for the same. Thanks for watching. So basically, this application helps you to easily print the dynamic barcode labels for the products, orders, and the deliveries with the customizable size, paper format, and the layout. It will even print the multiple labels per page. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the BrowseInfo channel for more Odoo tutorials and updates.